Sure. Oh, wow, look at him go.
Want to try it?
Sure. Do you,
Oh, let me push hard. Yeah, pull back.
oh, pull back?
There you go.
There we go.
Come on in. That's okay, just leave it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll make it easier to leave.
Yeah. The ducks are all gathering over there. Have you refilled that?
They think so. Now they're all coming back. There you go. If you wait for them to finish, and then they'll come over to you. That's our rooster. And if you touch that black one's back,
This one?
yeah, it'll squat down.
Really?
Thinks that you want to mate with it.
Oh, that didn't work. It tickles.
Got both of the polish going.
It tickles. Alright, here you guys go. The big one, the rooster, he actually kind of that actually hurt a little bit,
Yeah.
but the hens are the hens just kind of tickled. Will the ducks eat out of your hand?
Some of them. But you gotta wait till the goose likes grass mostly. She won't eat much scratch. This is called scratch.
Yeah, she's eating a little bit.
Oh yeah, okay. Here you go.
Oh.
I gotta go turn the pond on.
Sure.